going on right now. I believe I'm gonna say it again just in case it didn't catch it. I got screen record going on right now, and I'm gonna open up Affinity Designer, and we're gonna make a design right now just in case you wanted to create a T-shirt design or a logo, whatever you want to do. All right. So let's open up Affinity Designers down here. I got Designer 2 here. Then this is the first one, Affinity Designer. So I'm opening that one up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. This is for anybody who want to get into the design business. Okay. So I got some stuff preset already. I'm going up here to the top left. See where it says Affinity Designer. I'm going to go File, New. You got the options here to change the presets. Unnamed 12 by 12. That's the one I usually use. 12 by 12 is 2,000 pixels by 2,000 pixels. That's plenty of space. I'm never going to need that much space, okay? But that's the one I go to all the time. So I am going to hit create down here, pick something. All right, so all I'm going to do is go over here to these tools over here. These are all my tools over here. I'm going to find the ellipse tool. Now, see, if you click this right here, this little arrow thing here, you get to see all of the different types of tools you can use to write on a path. It's about writing on a path, But I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use this one here, the ellipse tool, the circle. I'm going to start up here at the top left. I'm going to hold the shift. I'm going to hold the cursor down and watch it grow just like that. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Look at that. It's almost a perfect circle. You can make a perfect circle with this, but that right there is plenty. All right. Oh, don't need that one. Let's do undo add. Okay, let's undo that. So over here you got layers. Okay, so this is the layer I'm on. This ellipse layer. Okay, I don't need another layer. All right, so now from this point, you go over here into your text tools right here, artistic text tool and frame text. All right, so on this layer, keyword there, this layer, click artistic text tool. See where that squiggly line shows up at? Okay, that's where you're going to start writing. All right, so I click it. You see the cursor bouncing? Okay, I'm going to make a new design. Well, actually, I'm going to do a design that I've already done, but I'm going to do a brand new version of it. Okay, so all I'm going to do is type out the words. What am I putting in this one? Working on. Okay. Highlight. Currently at 12 points. This is the font size. So I'm going to take it to about 36. Now, if you take this green, you see this green little pointer here, green arrow deal, you move the word. Look at that. Super simple. Now, if you go up to the this arrow here, the move tool, click that. You can move all of it down just a bit. I want to, you see how I moved it down? And that red line means I'm completely even right now. Okay. Anyway, so click off that, working on. All right, now if I go to the end, got to get back on layers. Come on, there we go. So I'm on layers again. I'm on this layer. Now, if I hit enter, I should be, the words should be coming in down here. Let's see if I got that right. Yep. Okay, you see how the cursor moved. The next words I'm going to put is knowing everything. Now, this little arrow, green arrow here, I'm going to move this one. Look at that. See how simple this is? Now, I'm going to change the fonts in a minute, but I'm 95%. I'll say I'm 80% done already. All right, so let's highlight working on. Let's change the font. These are all my fonts. The one I think I'm going to use is either chunk font. No, I think I'm going to use, which one was it? Jelly. I like that one. But let's say I want to do just one of the words with jelly. So I'm going to highlight just the word on. I'm going to change that font to, I think it was chunk 5. I like that. Chunk 5. It's kind of impactful, you know. Now, since it's already highlighted, Go up here where it says, see this black is font color. It's already highlighted. I'm going to change the color of on to use the RGB sliders. See how the color's changing? All right, so right now, for the purpose of this video, let's make it hot pink or something like that. I think that's hot pink. Right, so the word on is hot pink right now. All right. Now, down here, highlight knowing. Oh, I moved it. I usually start to highlight stuff from the back end of the word, okay? So highlight, and actually, we can change the font, or I can do, you know what, let me show you. I can change the letters, each individual letter. Let's just go with this G right here, okay? I'm gonna change that G to one of the bangers. Take this H and change it to a, let's turn that H into an impact. Let's take this E and turn that into Daniel Black. All right, you could do that. I'm not doing that for this video. Okay, I'm just not doing that for this video. All right, so go back. To get out of this. I'm sure there's another way to do it, but I'm just going to go to Edit, Undo, 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 Undo. All right, so it's back to where it was at. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna highlight this one. Start over here. Let's do everything. So turn everything into let's keep it simple. Jelly again. So it's like working up here. And the word knowing, I'm going to highlight that and put that one at chunk 5 again. Going back to chunk 5. The C is up this way. Chunk 5. Where are you at? Chunk 5. There we go. Chunk 5. And since it's already highlighted, change that color to the same one as on. And there you have it. That's one. All right. Now this is all on one layer. This is all on one layer here. Okay. So, working on knowing everything. Can y'all guess what I'm going to put in on the next layer? Okay, well, anyway, go up to layers, get a new layer. All right, the layer you're looking at now, that's one. All right, because this stuff stacks, okay? That's how we looking at it this way, but imagine putting a see-through piece of paper down and then putting another one on top, and you can see through all of it. That's basically what it is. So I'm gonna hit new layer, and I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna go, there we go. Let's make, I'm gonna open this up, and I can start, did the wrong thing. Let's get out of that. I don't need that, I don't need that, I don't need that. But I do need a new layer, all right? So I'm on layer 1, but that's layer 1. All right, so I gotta go back to layer again. New layer. Now I'm gonna change the artistic to frame text, okay? So now that I got frame text up, you see the cursor there, right? Have you guessed what I'm going to put in the middle? Capital letters. Woke. All right. And move it. Working on knowing everything. All right, let's change this font. Highlight. I could use chunk 5 again. Contracts. I like that. Let's space it out a bit. Okay. Working on knowing everything. Now, if you think there's too much space in between those, that's all right. We can go up to layer 1. We can make this a bit smaller. Just a bit smaller. I'm going to move and adjust. You see how I did that? All right, now click, get that arrow. You see how I did that? I evened it out. Now the word up here, working on knowing, and I can now go to layer 2 and move woke up, just a bit. I like that. But since I got the pink and the black, let's take the word woke and let's take, let's see, let's go the W. I'll make pink. Oh, just highlight the W. Come on, big fingers. All right, highlight the W. Go up here to colors. That's 1, and I'll highlight the K. Go to colors. That's 2. There you go, folks. I believe we got something to work with here now, okay? Working on knowing everything. Woke. And now I can put a little dots in there, you know, like it's an acronym. Don't worry, I can fix that right there. I'm going to move this over. And if it's too much, highlight all of that, change it from 96 down to 72. And I can even go as far as, I don't know if I can do ticks, but that's all right. Let's get out of here. We don't need that. All right, so I'm gonna grab woke again, and highlight it. Let's see if 96 will work now. But it depends on how far I spread it out. So I did it one side, but I didn't do the other side. So there we go. All right, so I think we are good to go. Using all that space. Okay, woke. Working on knowing everything. And folks, we're just about done. This W and this K looks more like the on and the knowing than this W. So let's go back to this W and make it just a bit more like the rest. There we go. That's much better. Okay. So that's how you make a design. This is just a very simple example of it. Now, this is a key thing I'm about to show you here. When you're saving this, when you hit File, okay, you got Save As and Export. They have two different things. So Save As, do that first every time. Always do Save As, okay, because when you save it, you're going to save the exact same working system thing that you put together, which means you can go back and start from this point to change whatever it is you want to change, okay? So it comes up untitled.af design. I'm going to call this one woke tutorial. I just do, okay, I'm on caps. And save it to my desktop. Now I'm going to go down here to File again, up here to File, and export it as a PNG, which is a transparent file, which means you can put it on a t-shirt just like it is. It's not see-through, but it'll show up as, it'll show up without a background, okay? Save it as a PNG, export, and it's already saved with the word work tutorial. Now it's PNG saved to the desktop. Now I'm going to go up here to the file one more time and export once again. This time I'm going to save it as a JPEG, which is a regular picture. It's going to have a white background. Export that and work tutorial.jpg. Save. And that's it. I'm done with this design. So folks, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please, if you like this video, make some comments. I don't care if it's good or bad, make some comments. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to FS3M Media. I got this program about 2 months ago. I love it. This is Affinity Designer. They have Affinity Designer 2 available now. Play around with that one. There are some other great YouTube videos on YouTube, you know, to watch this. This is amateur one. I'm an amateur. But I'm loving doing this stuff because I get to make up anything I want. If I was starting from scratch, all I need is a computer and the internet, and I could start a t-shirt business like here. Okay? Again, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm Frank Smith III. This is FS3Mmedia.com. Thanks again. I'll see you later.